Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use green screen effect in KineMaster. This effect is also called Chroma key and it's help your background change easily. Let's get started. First, open KineMaster on your phone, tap the plus icon to create a new project and choose the video you like. Now add your background video or image to the timeline. Now tap on the layer, choose media, select your green screen video and add it. This video will appear on the top of the background. Tap on the green screen layer on the right menu, find the tap Chrome key, turn on Chrome key, the green background will appear automatically. You can adjust sliders, color length, edge softness, detail control. Use your finger to resize and move the object. Place it anywhere on the screen you like. You can also add shadow or animation for the professional look. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.